The power cord passes through the cord guard as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord guard gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord guard is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord is prone to kinking, or the wire insulation can be rubbed through. Replacing the cord guard is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the handle. With the cover removed, now I can remove the cord clamp. Now I'll remove the cord and the cord guard from the housing. I'll remove the white wire from the terminal block and the black wire from the switch. Now I can remove the cord guard from the cord. Now I'll install the new cord guard. I'll thread the wires through the cord guard and place it over the outer insulation. Now the cord can be reinstalled to the sander. I'll connect the black wire back to the switch, and the white wire connects back to the terminal block. Now I'll place the cord guard back into the housing, and I'll adjust the cord so there's about 3/4 of an inch of the outer insulation underneath the cord clamp. I'll resecure the cord with the cord clamp. I'll place the switch back into the housing and tuck the wires back into place so nothing gets pinched. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's all it takes to install a new cord guard on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.